This is a quick lesson to go along with 7-4, which is going to be pages 175 to 177 in your journals. The first two pages are going to require something to measure with. So if you have a ruler or a tape measure, something at home that you can use to measure, that would be really helpful. Also, parents, one thing you could do if you don't have a yardstick or meter stick at home is just find a space in the house where you can measure out 1 yard and 1 meter and just mark those distances with a piece of tape or sticky notes so that they can use that as a reference. So in the first chart, you're going to find 5 things that are about 1 inch long, 5 that are about 1 foot, and 5 that are about 1 yard, just things around your house. And then you'll do the same with our metric measurements. You're going to find 5 things that are about 1 centimeter, about 10 centimeters, and then about 1 meter long. Your second page is going to have you look at some distances around your room or around your house and see how far apart they might be in yards. So it could be from your table to your window, from your bed to the door, any distance somewhere in your house. All right, I wanted to just real quick go over a couple strategies we've used for our math boxes as well. If you look at number 1, the number story is a coat costs $65, shoes cost $30. How much less do the shoes cost? So one strategy that we've used before is our open number line, which would be a good one to use for this. So if you draw an open number line and you start with your larger number, 65, you could count back by tens until you find your answer. So 65 minus 10, figure out what would that be. Then subtract another 10, figure out what that would bring you to. And then one last 10 will give you your final answer. Another strategy that you could use, and I'll give an example with number 4, is we draw place value blocks to find our answer. So this one has Oliver picked 16 tulips and 20 daffodils. How many flowers did he pick in all? So if I drew the tulips as place value blocks, I would have 1 10 and 6 ones. And then if I drew the 20 daffodils, that's 2 more 10s. Then I could add those all up and it would help me find my total. See if you can use one of those strategies to help you with 1, 4, and even number 5. All right, have fun with it.